So areas related to circles. In this, the basic things, area of the circle. What is the area of the circle formula? Can you say what is the area of the circle? Anyone of you? Area of the circle.
Pi r square.
Okay. What is the circumference of the circle?
2 pi r.
Is based on this 2 pi r. So what is the pi is a rational number or irrational number? Is the pi is the rational number or irrational number? Whether the pi is a rational number or irrational number?
Irrational number.
Pi is a irrational number. So the approximate value of the pi we will take as a 22/7. Okay. So now let us go to the length of the arc. The concept of the length of arc. So what is meant by arc? First, you need to know the what is meant by arc. Arc बोले तो क्या है? Yes, tell me. A part of the circle. Circle में एक part है. So suppose if you are taking this circle into the consideration, ये एक part है. So this, if it makes an angle of theta decrease at the center, if this is an arc AB, बीच में P होगा तो the name of the arc will be given to you APB, and upon that one curve will be given. So this length if you want to find out. So length of arc APB, and upon like this we have to write. So because P should be taken. Suppose if you are taking only 2 points, A and B, AB if you are writing minor arc you can write. Because 2 arcs, this is also one arc you are going to get, this is also another arc. 2 arcs you are going to get. So in these 2 arcs, which is you need to mention means minor you can use the word. Or simply a point can be taken between the 2 points. Between the 2 points, a point can be taken. 1 point can be taken. Okay. So like that by taking the APB arc. So this length of the arc formula क्या है? Suppose at the center, what is the total angle? Complete angle. What is the total angle at the center?
360.
360 degrees. Total is 360. So total 360 में this length कितना है? ये पूरा length कितना है? 2 pi. Circumference of the circle. So that is 2 pi. Okay. So but you need to take the only some part which is making an angle of theta. So that's why theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. 2 pi r. This is units only because it is a length of the arc. It is a length of the arc. Units only. It is not area. It is not an area. Okay, simple. Why we are taking 2 pi r means total length is 2 pi. In that one part we are taking which is making an angle of theta degrees. So out of 360, theta part should be taken into consideration. Just like a fractions only. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Length whenever you are taking, and it should be expressed in units. So now area of the circle whenever you say area of the sector. So this is arc. ये पूरा region को sector बोलते हैं. So area of the sector formula क्या है? So here the sector, the center can be taken. So area of the sector OAB. Area of the sector OAB is equals to same the same. Complete area कितना है? What is the complete area? 2 pi r square. Complete area is pi r square. So out of pi r square, you need to take only some part. So that is theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Square units. So these are the main 2 formulas. Based on this, we are going to have the next 2 exercises. Mostly based on this only. Along with this, you need to know some basics. Area of the triangle formula to find out. Area of the equilateral triangle formula to find out. So let us recall that also, because whenever you are going to find out the sector area, it is not required. But whenever you are going to find out the segment area, what is meant by segment here? If you draw a card here, okay, let us go for the only sector part, which is in the 12.2 exercise. 12.2 exercise mein only sector part is given to you. So that only we are going to take into consideration. So area of the sector, and this can also be written in another way. Length of the arc will be represented by L. Length of the arc will be represented by L. L is equals to theta by, here theta should be in the degrees. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta degrees. This is also in degrees. This is also in degrees. So you know about the only degrees only till now, but angle can be measured in degrees, radians, and grades. That you are going to learn in the trigonometry of the 11th class, class 11th, you are going to learn triangle. Okay. So now here theta by 360 into pi r square square. Is the board is visible to you clearly?
Yes, sir.
दिख रहा है ना? Okay. So now here this can also be written if the length of the arc is given, little bit change करके theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r into r by 2. Can I write like this? This 2 and 2 will get cancelled, pi r square. Pi r square I am writing as a 2 pi r into r by 2, because 2 will get, because this part is length of the arc. So you can write L into r by 2 square units. So area of the sector formula theta by 360 into pi r square or LR by 2 square units. So it's don't get confused, very simple. Area, whenever you said area of the circle part should be taken into consideration pi r square, and length of arc is given, perimeter, the circumference should be taken into consideration. So based on these two only we are going to have the exercise 12.2. So let us go for the exercise 12.2 problems. Okay. So first problem let us see here, and then let us go. Exercise 12.2. So the first problem is, okay, so find the area of the sector of the circle with a radius 6 centimeters if the angle of the sector is 60 degrees. Angle of the sector, so find the area of the sector of the circle of the radius 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters is the radius. Circle you see, this is, so this radius, and angle makes here 60 degrees. So radius is 6 centimeters. This we need to find out. Let us name it as a APD, same. So given, what are the given things here? Given theta is equals to 60 degrees and radius r is equals to 6 centimeters. Therefore, area of sector OA. So do remember sector whenever you name, just like a triangle, okay? OAP. Or OAPB also you can write. So OAB vector, OAPB also, if you write OAPB also, it is very clear. Either से इधर आके इधर. OAB कौन सी AB sector होता है? You can write like that. Naming the sector is should be taken. So area of the sector is equals to normal formula क्या है? Theta by 360 into area is pi r square. So here 60 by 360 into pi value should be taken until and unless it is mentioned other value to take. You have to take it as a 22 by 7. So it is given here. So 22 by 7 and the radius is given 6 into 6 square. So 60 1 is 60, 6 will get cancelled. So which is equals to 6 to 132. 132 by 7 square centimeters is the area of the sector. That's all. Second question whenever you are taking. So समझ में आया ना? Is it clear?
Yes.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. So whether it is audible and visible or not, I have a doubt, that's why I am asking you. So please concentrate here. Second question is given to you. Find the area of the quadrant of the circle whose circumference is given. Here it is given directly, radius is not given, circumference is given. So area of the quadrant of the circle. What is meant by quadrant of the circle? What is meant by quadrant of the circle? Anyone knows? ये semicircle है. If you divide the circle into the 4 parts, this one part is called as one quadrant. Already you go in coordinate geometry. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. You are going to circle if it is not there. So like that here also, qua word whenever quadrilateral, quad is nothing but 4. So 4 parts whenever you divide the circle and each part is called as one quadrant. So now the question is given to you, circumference of this circle is given to you. So given 2 pi r is equals to 22 centimeters. R find out 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 22. This 22 will get here, sir. R is equals to 750 centimeters. So area of the quadrant is asking you. So area of quadrant. So whenever the quadrant area you are finding, you can use directly 1/4 of the area of the circle you can use, or angle can be taken as a 90 degrees. Theta by 360 if you take 90 by 360. 90 by 360 is nothing but 1 by 4. 90 by 360 is nothing but 1 by 4. So you can directly take 1 by 4 pi r square. Because 1/4 of the area of the circle. Semicircle area find out करके half of the area of the circle. So which is 1 by 4 into again 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So this 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 2 1s 2 11 11 7 is 77. 77 will get square centimeters is the area of this quadrant. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So next question is given to you. Third one. Find the length of the minute hand of a clock 14 centimeters. Length of the minute hand of the clock is, sorry, the length of the minute hand of the clock. Clock में minute hand होता है, means hour hand, minute hand. So that length is given to you. That is nothing but you consider the whenever the clock hand is moving, minute hand is moving, it forms a circular shape, and its radius is given to you indirectly 14 centimeters. And find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So minute hand in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, what is the angle made by the minute hand? Now clock consider, you take the clock. So either 12 है, either 1 है. 5 minutes में minute hand will move from here to here. So this here to here it is going. So it forms, whenever it is moving like this, it forms a circle. ये circle formula. Then this is given to you 14 centimeters. And what is the area swept by this minute hand in 5 minutes? 5 minutes में how much? So sweeping is nothing but what? What is meant by sweeping? You know, I think. Sweeping, you know, covering area. Actually, swept is nothing but sweep. Past tense. झाड़ू मारना. हिंदी में बोलना है. Okay. So actually, how much it is going to clear the area? That is nothing but this area should be covered. But further, what is required? It forms a sector. When a minute hand moves, it forms a sector. Sector form होता है. So what is the angle made by the minute hand in 5 minutes? ये 5 minutes में कितना angle form करते हैं? So angle made by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Angle made by minute hand in 5 minutes. So which is equals to total if it is moved, it is 360 degrees cover होता है. But 360 में 12 parts कर लिया तो एक part में you are going to get. So 360 by 12. You can take, so which is equals to 30 degrees. So here to here the angle is 30 degrees, that is theta. theta is 30 degrees. Indirectly it is given to you. When suppose same question is given, instead of the minute hand, hour hand is given. Hour hand in 5 minutes if it is given. So hour hand 5 minutes में दे दिया तो hour hand 1 hour की इधर से इधर जाएगा 1 hour. So 60 minutes, if you are taking 60 minutes, the 60 minutes it is going to cover 30 degrees. Which one? Minute hand and hour hand. Hour hand is nothing but chota wala. Chota wala. So hour hand whenever you are taking, so 60 minutes में 30 degrees cover करता है. Because 60 minutes 1 hour. 1 hour में इधर से इधर आ जाएगा. 12 o'clock को इधर बैठना है and 1 o'clock को इधर आ जाएगा. So in 1 hour it covers the 30 degrees. But 5 minutes if it is given to you, what to do? Okay, 1 minute find out karo if you want. Unitary method. 1 minute को बोले तो 30 by 60. So which is equals to half degree. In 1 minute it is covers the half degree. Which one? Hour hand. Hour hand covers the 1 degree or half degree. So because 60 minutes में 30 degrees cover होगा and 1 minute में half degree cover. And 5 minutes whenever it is asked to you, 5 into 1 by 2. So which is equals to 2.5 degrees cover 5 minutes. Suppose same question instead of the minute hand hour hand is given, angle is to be taken as a 2.5 degrees. Sir, for 2.5 degrees को हमको how do we find out the value of the 2.5 degrees? Yes, 5 by 2 you can take into consideration. So that's why such a complicated questions will not be given to you, but you need to know. आप लोगों को पता होना है. So now this आ गया. Radius is equals to 14 centimeters. So area swept by, what is the question given in the same way you have to write? Area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. Minute hand in 5 minutes, which is equals to theta by 360 degrees into what is pi r square. So theta is 30 by 360 into, is it visible to you? Here pi should be taken 22 by 7 until and unless it is given to take the other value. Brackets में दे देगा question के बाद. So 22 by 7 and the radius is given to you here 14 and 14. 12. 7 1 plus 7 2 7. 2 1 2 6 7. 2 3 2 11. 11 into 14 by 3 square centimeters. इसको simplify करो 11 into 14. Multiplication part I am leaving to you, and that's a very simple here. Even you can express in fractions or you can express in decimals also. You can express in fractions or you can express in decimals also. Okay? समझ में आया? Is it clear to you? हाँ? समझ में आया ना? Okay. Now let us go to the next question. Fourth question. So fourth question क्या देते हैं? A chord of the circle of the radius 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters subtends a right angle at the center. Chord of the circle of the radius. So question समझ लो. Radius is given to you. Chord length is not given to you. So this is the chord if you are considering, and radius is given to you like this. OA is the radius. 10 centimeters radius. Circle radius is 10 centimeters. Subtends a right angle. It subtends a right angle at the center. So ये 90 degrees बोला. This makes a 90 degrees. So find the area of the corresponding minor segment. Here segment area is nothing but minor segment. This area to be found. We need to find out this area. Okay? Minor segment and major sector. Two things are asking you. Minor segment. So what is the area of this sector?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, वीडियो ब्लर हो गया.
वीडियो ब्लर हो गया. 1 minute wait करो, maybe it may be clear. थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम की वजह let's say sometimes it happens. 1 minute means a few seconds. I think it is clear only now. पहले से ऐसा है?
नो सर, अभी ठीक है.
अभी ठीक है ना?
यस सर.
Wait, few seconds it disturbs. Okay. Now here we need to find out here minus segment it is given to you. Segment and major sector. Minus my major sector is what? ये sector. So here horizontal lines whenever you are taking. So whenever you use the name, let the card is as a AB. Let the card of the let card as AB. Given radius R is equals to 10 centimeters. So this is also a little bit different problem. Okay. Find the area of the corresponding area. These two things only given, and it makes a 90 degrees is given to you, and also given, and also angle AOB is equals to 90 degrees. AOB. This card will make an angle of 90 degrees. It is given. Okay. So area of the minor segment. Segment find out करने से पहले sector area find out. Sector area से ये complete OAB sector area से ये area of the triangle if you subtract area of the segment here. Area of the segment is nothing but this one. So how do we find out area of this triangle? Triangle AOB. Half into base into height you can use. And here as it is 90 degrees, ये 90 degrees, ये base मान लीजिए तो ये height हो जाएगा. If you consider OA as a base, OB becomes a height. So here, first let us write here area of minor sector OAB. So which is equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is what here? 90 degrees by 360 into 22 by 7 into the radius is given to you 10 into 10. But be careful that in this question, the pi value is given to you to take 3.14. It is given to you to take 3.14. So 91 or 94 so you are going to get. So you are going to get 3.14 into 100 will become 314. 314 by 4. 314 by 4. So you can express in decimals. If you want, you can express in decimals. Decimals can be expressed as 4 7 are 28, 34, 4 8 are 32, 20, 78.5 square centimeters as it is given to me. Now what to do here? Area of triangle OAB is equals to half into OA into OB. Always not as it is 90 degrees. Here it is 90 degrees. Sir, if it is not 90 degrees, 60 degrees wala question de diya, to what to do? 60 degrees wala radius if it is given to you. So problems will come, different problems will come, and that problem in that situation what to do I will explain to you. Okay. Now here half into OA. OA is 10 here and OB is also 10. 5 which is equals to 50 square centimeters. So now here corresponding segment is asking me. So area of segment OAB minor segment is equals to area of minor sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. So ये complete area से triangle area subtract करना है, which is equals to 78.5 minus 50. So which is equals to 28.5 centimeters square. Or centimeter square you can get, or square centimeter also you can get, because it is area. So even here also square centimeters are have. Okay? Is it clear to you? समझ में आया? Now, first question is this one, area of the segment. In that second question is major sector. Major sector will make an angle of 270 degrees. ये minor वाला 90 degrees it is making. The remaining is 360 minus 90. So major sector will make 360 minus 90, which is equals to 270 degrees at center. So therefore theta is equal to 270 degrees. Or you can do the problem. Complete area of the circuit से area of this sector subtract करो 28.5 78.5 area of the sector minus sector ये subtract करो area of the circle से. So both the ways you can do the problem. It's not mandatory that you need to use the formula only for this. So the area of the major sector, this is equals to theta by 360 into pi r square, which is equals to. So what is theta here? 270 degrees by 360 into pi value to be taken as a 3.14. The radius is given to you 10 10. So 270 is nothing but you are going to get here 0 9 3 is the 27 9 4 is 36. So 3 by 4 into 314. So we are going to get it 4 to cancel equal to a 78.5 already given here. So you should be little bit aware. ये ऐसा यूज कर ले तो टाइम ज्यादा कम हो जाता है. Otherwise the calculation becomes will take more time. 3 times of the 78.5. So 3 से multiply कर लो and write the square centimeters area of the segment. Segment का area भी ऐसा मैटर करना है. Sector का area like this. Did you get my point? Question समझ में आया? Is it clear to you? Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Very clear. Okay. Sixth question देखो. A chord of the circle of the radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. When it is making a 60 degrees here, same chord is given to you and it makes a 60 degrees. ये 60 degrees को ले तो ये 60 होगा, ये भी 60 होगा. This is 60, this is 60, 60. Why? Because ये 60 is nothing but this is 60 is nothing but they दोनों equal angles. X plus 60 is equals to 180 degrees. So x plus, because these two angles will be equal. Here it is 60 degrees given to you in the fifth problem. It is given. So in the circle, fifth problem is okay. No? Fifth problem में क्या है? In a circle of the radius 21 centimeters, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Radius is 21, subtends at the center centimeter. Find the length of the arc and area of the sector formed by the arc. You can find out the fifth problem easily. It's not difficult because simply direct question. Sixth problem is subtends an angle of the 60 degrees at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segment of the circle. So this problem I will explain to you. Okay. Sixth question. So what is the question given to you? A chord of the circle of radius. Radius is given to you as a given radius is equals to 15 centimeters and it makes an angle of theta. Theta is equals to radius r is equals to 60 degrees at the center. Let the chord as AB. So let us draw the figure draw. So this is a circle if you are taking it to consider. At the center of the circle, a chord is if you are taking AB. So this is equals to angle AOB as per our consideration. Okay? And the question is asking you to find out the areas of the corresponding minor and major segment. Minor segment बोले तो ये है. This is minor segment. Minor segment and major segment is nothing but this one. Minor segment find out करने के बाद area of the circle से ये minor segment area subtract करो. Segment is nothing but this one. But before that you need to find out the area of the square, area of the triangle also. But इसमें area of the triangle find out करने के लिए ये दोनों को multiply नहीं कर सकते because 90 degrees नहीं है. So what to do in that situation? First you observe that as it is given angle AOB is equals to, since OA is equals to OB, OA is equals to OB. So opposite angles क्या है? Angle OBA is equals to angle OAB. ये दोनों equal होता है, opposite angles of a triangle. So let us consider this both angles as x and x. So this is equals to x considered. X plus 60 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. 2x is equals to 120 degrees. So x is equals to 60 degrees. So this is also 60, this is also 60. So therefore, triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. Triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. So area of the equilateral triangle in the triangles chapter we have learned. Can anyone do remember? If you know the side of the triangle.
Root 3 by 4 side A square.
Yes, very good. Area of the, therefore, area of equilateral triangle OAB, first find out. So root 3 by 4 A square. Here A is OA, OA square. OA is the radius here, radius for 15 centimeters area. So, and the question में ले लिया है root 3 value to be taken as 1.73. 1.7. Approximate value is 1.732, but here it is given 1.73. Root 3 is an irrational number. Do remember, it is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. But here it is given terminating decimal. That is approximate value. Do remember this point. Okay. So root 3 value is given to you in the question itself. Question में दे दिया है root 3 is equals to be taken as a 1.73 and pi value to be taken as a 3.14. ये दोनों दे दिया है question में दे दिया. In the question it is given. So root 3 value 1.73 by OA is equals to radius of the circle is 15. So 15 square. 1.73 into 15 square. 15 square is 225. So 1.73 into 225 divided by 4 square centimeters. ये कैलकुलेशन सिंप्लीफाई करना है डेसिमल्स में. That part I am leaving to you. Concept I am explaining to you, and you can do it. The simple calculation part of it. Then after what to do here? Area of the sector find. In that minor sector, please name it as a minor sector. Area of the question may ask is segment, but area of minor sector OAB is equals to. So what is the theta by 360 into pi r square? So theta what is here 60. 60 by 360 into pi value is to be taken as a 3.14. Okay. So do remember the question here. Question पढ़ते समय ज़्यादा से ध्यान देना है. Question given a chord of the circle of radius 15 centimeters. Most of the students get confused and they consider this chord length is 15 in this problem. So please don't consider like that. Okay. So now here ये r value is 15 square. इसको 61 to 66 है. So we are going to get 3.14 into 15 square by 6. इसमें से ये subtract करना है. If you want, you can keep it like this only, this one. अब दोनों से 15 square 225 and 225 by 2 you can take the common करके simplify कर सकते हैं. Otherwise better thing is ये complete decimal में express करो, ये complete decimal में express करो. And the area of the minor segment is equals to area of the minor sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. So this area minus this area that you have to write. Then after what to do? Major is asking major segment. Major segment के लिए directly area of the major segment is equals to area of major segment is equals to area of circle minus area of minor area of the minor circle. Area of the circle formula find out करूँगा. So if you want, you find out here first of area of circle. Separately find out area of the circle is equals to pi r square. So pi value is 3.14 into 15 square. So which is equals to, you can keep it like that. I will simplify. Area of the circle is equals to 3.14 into 15 square minus area of the minus sigma. Here what I think that the answer should be written. I'm not simplifying it. Simplify karna, it's very simple. Multiplication only, but don't use a calculator set home. Calculators use नहीं करना है, आप multiply करना है. You try to learn to multiply and divide. Even you have to feel every time, every moment you are doing exam. Exam में लिख रहे बोल के सोचना. समझ में आया ना? Okay. Now let us go for the next 7th question. So what is the 7th question given to you? See here. The chord of the circle of the radius. Chord of the circle of the radius. Radius is 12 centimeters. Subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. Find the area of the corresponding center. So 120 degrees whenever it is given, how do we find out the area of the triangle? In this case, here the question is given to you. The chord of the circle of the radius 12 centimeters. So this is also, see here mostly the questions are given to you 60 degrees, 90 degrees at the center and 120 degrees only the questions are given to you. Isn't it? So here the question is given to you. The radius of the circle is radius r is equals to 12 centimeters. Radius is 12 centimeters and the angle makes an angle 120 degrees. So 120 degrees is nothing but chord maybe a little bit more lengthy. Approximation also you have a chord. This is a chord. So because at the center, either 120 degrees. So approximation draw कर लिया तो भी हो है ये 120 degrees. Now area of the this triangle to be found out. So 120 degrees, 60 degrees whenever it is given, equilateral triangle we are getting. So it is root 3 by 4 and 90 degrees whenever it is given, area of the triangle find out करना है तो directly half into base into height. But in this situation, area of the triangle, main area of the triangle, remaining area of the sector is 120 by 360 into pi r square only. That is easy. Area of the triangle, how do we find out? So here what to do here? This angle you consider as angle AOB. So draw OC which is perpendicular to AB. What is C perpendicular draw? Perpendicular draw. So what you can say here? Triangle OAC and triangle OBC. In these two triangles, OA is equals to OA. This is radian, and OC is equals to OC. This is common in both the triangles. Angle OCA is equals to angle OCB because both are 90 degrees. These both are 90 degrees. So by RHS congruency, triangle OAC is congruent to triangle OBC. So from this you can say that by CPCB, you can say that angle OAC is equals to angle OAC. Angle AOC is equals to angle BOC, which is equals to half of AOB. AOB is half of it. So 120 degrees by 2, which is equals to 60 degrees. A 60 degrees. So in the see here in one problem, how many things are there? A triangle concept is we are using. Next trigonometry आ जाएगा. So आपको trigonometry आती है तो ये problem कर सकते हैं. आपको सर्किट नहीं कर सकते. Suppose नहीं आते. And if you don't know the triangles congruency, you can. So one problem, see, in मैथमेटिक्स इज लाइक दैट, एवरी टाइम इंटरलिंक्ड। सो आपको वो बहुत परफेक्ट से आते हैं तो वो यूज कर सकते हैं इधर बोल के आइडिया आ गया। सो दैट्स व्हाई द प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स एवरीथिंग शुड बी परफेक्टली यू हैव टू लर्न। Okay, so did you understand here whatever I'm saying? So now what to do in 60 degrees आ गया। Now our intention is and also you can say that AC is equals to BC is equals to AB by 2 by CT only। ये पूरा लेंथ से ये AC BC both are equal। Our intention is to find out AB. What we are doing actually, we cannot half into base into height you need to find out। You need to find out AB length and OC length. If you find out this length and this length, half into base into height. ये base है, ये height है. Half into base into height. So you need to find out AB length and OC length. So AB length and OC length, if you are finding, then you easily can find it. So now what you can do for that purpose, AC BC equal length. AC you can find it by using the trigonometry. So in triangle OAC. ये 60 degrees है, we are having this one, we are having this one, we have this one। what is this one in this triangle? hypotenuse। hypotenuse हमारे पास है, ये क्या है for this angle OAC को? AC क्या है? opposite। very good। opposite and hypotenuse relation क्या है? opposite and hypotenuse relation क्या है?
Sine।
So we need to take the sine। very good। sine 60 degrees, because this is 60, not 120 should not be taken because it is divided, we need to take it in this triangle। so sine 60 degrees is AC by OA। sine 60 degrees value क्या है? √3 by 2। in this problem area of the triangle finding only little bit lengthy, the remaining same procedure। so √3 by 2 is equals to AC by OA is equals to radius is 12, it is given। so from this you are going to get AC is equals to 6√3 centimeters। AC 6√3 आ गया है। so therefore AB is equals to AC 2 times of AC। ये दोनों का सेम लेंथ है और you can write here if you want AC plus BC and AC plus BC is equals to AC। so you can write as a 6√3 plus 6√3 which is equals to 12√3 centimeters। 12√3 centimeters AB हो गया है। and what to still you need to find out in the same triangle you need to find out OC पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज करके फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, but cos 60 degrees also you can use। sin 60 degrees यूज करेंगे और cos 60 degrees is nothing but adjacent side is OC by OA। so cos 60 degrees value half is equals to OC by 12 OA। so 2 1 to 6 are here, otherwise OC is equals to 6 centimeters। OC भी आ गया है, AB भी आ गया है, then you can find out area of triangle OAB is equals to half into AB into OC। so half into 6√3 into 6। in this problem also √3 value is given to you 1.73 sorry। so 2 1s are 2 3s are 6 3s are 18 √3 square centimeters। ये सेंटीमीटर्स है, ये सेंटीमीटर्स है, ये सेंटीमीटर्स में आ जाएगा लेंथ wherever you are taking here centimeters okay, but this is area। next afterwards what to do here, the question is asking you to find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle। corresponding segment हम लोगों को ये फाइंड आउट करना है, area of the sector फाइंड आउट करना है। so area of the sector minus this area फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं ना। एंड इन सर ये बहुत ज्यादा लेंथी हो गया ना, लेंथ किधर हो गया? आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू दिस पार्ट लिटिल बिट लेंथी एंड इन द एग्जाम इफ यू वांट यू कैन राइट दैट डायरेक्टली ड्रॉ OC परपेंडिकुलर टू AD बाय RHS congruency these two are congruent। ये पार्ट लिख दिया तो बस ये पार्ट थोड़ा अवॉइड करना है तो कर सकते हैं, यू कैन अवॉइड because it is not a triangle and you are very well perfect in triangles में perfect है, so that's why it is not necessary।
Sir,
Yes.
sir, area
Yes.
of triangle OAB जो आपने लिखा है हाफ इंटू OC बाई AB, तो सर AB का वैल्यू तो 2√3 था, 12√3 था ना?
Oh, sorry, sir. Yes, yes. Basic number 2. Yes. 12, 3, sir, that is 36 rupees. Yes. 36 rupees, 3, yes, human error. Because it happens, but it's very good. You identified. At least that means you are observing the class. I'm very happy that you are observing the class. But thank you very much, and you have to do. Sometimes it happens, and be careful. And this can be avoided for you through the practice. More practice and observation should be there. And ये suppose देखो tension होता है exam में, so वो tension avoid करना है तो perfection आना है. तो perfection आ गया तो then automatically you can avoid the tension. समझ में आया? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
At segment area फाइंड प्रॉब्लम कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है एंड आई थिंक यू कैन कंप्लीट इट. एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर फाइंड आउट करना है, वो फ्रॉम दैट एरिया यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस. So from here onwards, next all the questions are application oriented questions. So I am going to show the questions to you. Questions दिखा के मैं explain करता हूँ. Okay. So through the presentation I will show it to you. Wait for a while. Is it visible to you? I think presentation is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
So this question, next 8th question. From here onwards, mostly all the questions are just application in your day-to-day life, whatever. But all the questions are simple. Same model है. Model उसमें कुछ भी change नहीं है. I think you can do it. It's not a difficult to you. Calculation oriented. But I will explain to you. See the 8th question. A horse is tied to a peg. Either a peg है this, okay, at the corner of the square-shaped grass field of the side 15 centimeters. So this side, complete side is 15 centimeters. By the means of 5 centimeters long rope. ये इधर से इधर तक rope है ना? So this rope length is 5 centimeters. So that is nothing but it forms a sector. But what is the angle here at the center? 90 degrees. And radius is a quadrant है. Suppose if you are completing a circle like this, इस circle complete कर दिया तो ये quadrant हो जाएगा 90 degrees वाला. So 1/4 of the area of the circle. So the question is given to you, the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. So horse ये अंदर आ सकते हैं तो बाहर तो नहीं जा सकते है ना. Horse cannot go outside. So that's why ये अंदर तक आएगा तो ये फील्ड है, ये बाहर फील्ड नहीं है, तो इस एरिया यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट. सो यू नीड टू राइट दैट द एरिया of the field that horse can graze form a sector or a quadrant. You have to write it as a either a quadrant. So quadrant means 90 degrees, 1 by 4th of the pi r square you can take it. Now the question is given, next question is given. Can you do it? कर सकते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Simple, just application है उसमें 90 degrees already we have done all the problems. Now the increase in the area, grazing area, if the rope were 10 meters long instead of 5 meters, ये rope length 10 meters long कर दिया है. If it is made 10 meters long, what is the area it can graze? So now here I will give you the one interesting. So board में मैं explain करता हूँ. So the question may be given to you is 10 centimeters. It is given to you. So here this is the field. This is the field. What is the radius of the side field? 15 centimeters is given to you. So first step here 5 centimeters rope is given. So 5 centimeters means approximately you can have here like this. So only the horse can graze this part. So what do you have?
Sir, it is
1 by 4. Yes, beta. What?
Sir, it is in meter, not centimeter, sir. Sir, it is given 15 meters, not centimeters.
Meters there is not. Sorry, 15 centimeters next level. 15 meters, okay. 5 meters. The rope is given to you. Next question is given to you 5 meters. So 5 meters is nothing but here. Radius should be taken as a 5. This length is given to you 5. Second question में क्या? It is given to you 10. So 10 if it is given to you like this centimeters. Suppose in case the question if it is given to you 15. 15 is given to you. So like this you are going to get it. Radius is given to you 15. So means radius not length of the rope should be taken as a radius. Length of the rope to be taken as a radius. So here simple question है उसमें कुछ complication तो नहीं है I think so. Okay? Is it clear to you? समझ में आया ना? Can you do it? Just calculation part है that you can do it. It's not very difficult to you I think so.
सर
yes Vedika tell me yes.
सर अगर हम लोग जो पहले जो एरिया आया था 5 मीटर रोप से अगर उसका डबल कर दे तो फिर तो राइट आंसर आ सकता है.
डबल कर दिया. Why? Because you think that radius is double कर दिया तो नहीं आएगा. Because that radius is here. Whenever you take it here, normally you think that this is 2 square to multiply करना है. Double का square multiply करना. Because radius is you are going to change. You are not going to get it. Because here you think that the area you are going to get 5 square. Then if you are taking 1 by 4 into pi 10 square. ये 10 square is nothing but you can write it as 1 by 4 into pi into 2 into 5 whole square. So 2 square into 5 square. So 4 times you are going to get because radius square is there. So 2 times you are not going to get it. Twice you will not get.
Okay, sir.
So that's directly double. Radius double हो गया तो the area in the area formula you are having the square. So area formula में square है. So in that situation what you are going to get it? 4 times you are going to get it. Okay. Next question is given to you. This question you read here. 9th question. A brooch is made with a silver wire, which is in the form of the circle with the diameter 35 millimeters. 35 millimeters is given, diameter is given. So the radius is 35 by 2. So the wire was also used in making 5 diameters like this. 5 diameters को use किया. ये है एक wire है circumference, silver wire, and it is used 5 diameters. And wire was also used in making 5 diameters, which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown. So total length of the silver wire is required, you need to find out. So total length means what you have to do? Can anyone say? What do you have to do? Can you say? Perimeter of the circle, circumference of the circle, ये complete plane है and 5 times diameter, so 5 into 35, 5 into 35, so you need to take 22 by 7 only here, 2 pi r plus 5 into 35, where r is equals to 35 by 2 should be taken into consideration. समझ में आया? Is it clear to you?
No, sir.
No, explain करो. Okay, I'll explain to you on the board. Don't worry. So question number 9. Okay, this problem completely I will explain to you, don't worry. So the question is given to you that a brooch is made with a silver wire in the form of the circle with a diameter 35. So given diameter d is equals to 35 millimeters. So therefore radius is equals to 35 by 2 millimeters. So it is made with this is a silver wire is used, and here diameter like this. 5 diameters are used. The question is given to you 5 diameters are used like this, 1 diameter, 2, 3 diameters, and here 1, 4, and here 1, 5. So that is nothing but in this way equally divide कर लिया है. इसमें फिगर में थोड़ा सा ये ज़्यादा आया है, but it is given to you the wire is used in making the 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. ये sectors equal sectors है. So 10 equal sectors is given to you. Okay. So therefore the question is asking to you here in this case total length of the silver wire. ये total length of the silver wire. So total length of the silver wire is equals to total length of silver wire is equals to circumference of circle plus 5 times diameter. ये भी सिल्वर वायर है और ये भी सिल्वर वायर है. So circumference of the circle formula 2 pi r plus 5 into d diameter. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 35 by 2 plus 5 into 35. Diameter 5 times diameter. Okay. So now what to do here? 7 plus 7 5 2 2 22 by 110 plus 35 by 5 by 25 2 5 is 15 plus 2 so 75. So 285. What is this? Millimeters. Not area this one. Next step. This is the first question. Total length of the silver wire used. Easy. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Next, area of the each sector of the brooch. Second question में area of the each sector. So area of the each sector find out करने से पहले the angle of the each sector you need to find out. Angle made by each sector at center. So it is not given to you, but here it is given that it makes these wires will divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. So either 10 equal sectors, here total 360 degrees should be divided into 10 parts. Why? Because 10 equal sectors, 10 equal area sectors 10 equal area sectors is given. So that's why 10 से divide करते हैं, isn't it? Sir, 5 only given ना, 5 diameters will divide the circle into 10 sectors. So 10 each part if you want this angle to find it. Here in the figure I have drawn to you little bit wrong है, ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा आ गया है, but in the question it is very clearly given. So ये rough figure है, so that's it. 36 degrees is the angle. So therefore, the question is asking you to find the area of the each sector. So therefore, area of each sector. So each sector in one sector only better you find it here. That is equals to theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. So pi value to be taken here 22 by 7. So theta is 36. 36 by 360 into 22 by 7 into the radius is given to you 35 by 2. Radius should be 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. So 36 1 is 36 10. So 7 1 is 7 5. 2 1 is 2 11. And 5 1 is 5 2. So denominator में 4 आ जाएगा, numerator में 11. 11 into 35 by 4. So 35 into 11. 385. 385 by 4 square millimeters. Please do remember. Yes, as you said, simple. इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, isn't it? Situations are different बेटा, इसमें एक एक सिचुएशन में एक एक दे दिया है. कुछ डाउट है इसमें? Is there any doubt here? No? Next. 10th क्वेश्चन समझ में आया क्वेश्चन?
यस सर।
तो ये सारा क्वेश्चंस भी वैसे ही है, एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ, थोड़ा सुन लीजिए, क्वेश्चन दिखा के एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. इफ देयर इज एनी डाउट इन एनी प्रॉब्लम यू आस्क मी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन द सॉल्यूशन ऑन द बोर्ड. इसमें ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं. देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 10th क्वेश्चन इज गिवन टू यू, एन अम्ब्रेला हैज 8 रिब्स which is equally spaced. Assuming the umbrella is to be flat circle of the radius. ये देखो figure here it is given to you. Is it visible to you? A flat circle बोल के assume करना है. Circular shape में नहीं होता है ना सर, हम expand करने के बाद, but assume करने के लिए बोला है question. So 45 centimeters radius. Find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So now here it is divided into how many parts? 8 ribs are given to you. So 8 ribs are dividing. Umbrella has 8 ribs. So 8 ribs are given to you. It is dividing into 8 sectors that you need to mention. Here 10 sectors, 10 से divide कर लिया. उधर 8 sectors, 360 degrees को 8 से divide कर लो. What the angle you will get, with that angle you need to do it. I think it is not complicated. Okay. Area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella means area of the sector only. Can you do it?
Yes sir.
11th problem देखो. A car has 2 wipers which do not overlap. Wiper is overlap is nothing but one के ऊपर नहीं आएगा. दो actually normally wipers overlap होता है कार में. Means ये दोनों एक साथ चलते रहते हैं. दोनों 2 wipers will move like this कार को swipe करने के लिए. Okay, so the question is given to you, they do not overlap, consider, and each wiper has a blade of the length 25 centimeters. So ये 25 centimeters क्या लेना है? Radius. Sweeping through the angle of 115 degrees. So 115 degrees is the angle given. Find the total area cleaned by each sweep of the blades. So 150 degrees, theta by 360 into pi r square only. Situation is given to you different, but उसमें calculation क्या है? 150 degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. That is also simple. 2 wipers are given to you here. So each wiper is asking to you to find it. So find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. Means 2 times you. Each sweep by the blades means 2 times you need to multiply. 2 into 3 theta by 360 into pi r square. You can do that one also. It's not a difficulty. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
So 12th problem. To warn the ships, see every situation is different. Question में देखो, to warn the ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red color light over the sector angle of 80 degrees to a distance of 16.5 kilometers. Here radius is 16.5 kilometers and the angle is 80 degrees. 80 by 360 into pi r square. Find the area of the sea over which is ships warned. Pi value should be taken as a 3.14. Just calculations will be there in this. And you try. If there is any doubt, you ask me in the next class. So 12th problem also same model. इसमें कुछ different नहीं है. If it is a different model, then I will explain. Situation is given to you in your daily life. 13th question देखो. A round table cover has a 6 equal designs. Round table cover has a 6 equal designs as shown like this. ये देखो 12.14 figure. If the radius of the cover is 28, ये radius is 28. Find the cost of making each design at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. Okay, if you want, I will explain you this problem. Explain करो और कर सकते हैं ये भी. Okay, I will explain to you. Don't worry. So the question is given to you. 13th question. Last question here. 14th question is simple here. इसमें कुछ नहीं है. So here the question is given to you. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. Figure में कैसे show कर दिया है? One hexagon is taken. One hexagonal shape में है. A, B, C, D, E, F, O. 6 equal parts. Angle is not given to you here. So radius of the cover is given. So this design is you need to find out. A design find out. Okay. Given radius is equals to R is equals to 28 centimeters. 28 centimeters. So 6 equal designs. So angle made by the each design at the center. Or you can consider here angle any AOB if you want to find out. See AOB find out. ये क्या है? 6 equal designs है ना? So angle AOB is equals to what do you get? 360 by 6 equal parts. So 60 degrees. So when it is making a 60 degrees angle, therefore triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. So here you can directly mention it and you can write it. Again, we did the problem here. You consider this angle as x, this angle as x. Both are equal. So 60 degrees at the center means equilateral triangle. So therefore, area of triangle OAB is equals to root 3 by 4 a square. OA square. So OA is radius. So root 3 by 4, 28 square. So 28 into 28. 7. 28 into 7. 56, 5. 7 to the 4, 196 root 3. And root 3. So इसको multiply करना है 6 square centimeters. So now here one design you need to find out. One design. So 196 centimeter, 56, 5, 14 plus 5, 19, 196 and 1.73. 1.7 root 3 value 1.7 is given. So 1.7 से multiply करेंगे. Then each design find होगा. Last में simplify करना तो at last you can simplify it. So now here area of the sector. Area of the sector OAB minus sector. So theta by 360 degrees into pi. Pi value here it is given, not given to you to mention. 3.14, 22 by 7 can be taken. 22 by 7 by r square. R is equals to 28 into 28. 7 minus 7 4 7. 60 minus 66. 2, 3. So we are going to get it. 3 side divided by 9 44 into 28 divided by 3 square centimeters. So area of the each one design. So area of the, so what is question asking? Find the cost of making the ring. Area of the design is equals to 6 times the area of the segment. ये तो कर सकते हैं ना, कैलकुलेशन प्रॉब्लम है. So area of the segment is nothing but area of the this minus sector minus this area should be same. ये decimals में एक्सप्रेस करो, ये भी decimals में एक्सप्रेस करो और दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. Then after cost is asking you, cost of the design. So whatever the area you will get, that area should be multiplied. The area you are going to get in centimeter square only. So that area should be multiplied with the 0.35 into area of the design. समझ में आया? Just I am leaving to you calculation part. Calculation part you can do it. It's not very difficult to you. You do it. Okay? So the 14th question is given. Take the correct answer in the following. Area of the sector of the angle P. Angle is given. Theta is equals to Q. Area of the sector of the circle of the radius R is given. Radius capital R. So area of the sector formula क्या है? P by 360 into pi capital R square. Simple question. इसमें कुछ भी simple. But here the question whenever you take P by 360 into pi R square, option is not given. So option में नहीं दिया. So here P by 720 2 multiply करो. 2 into 360. ऊपर भी 2 multiply करो. 2 pi R square. So P by 720 into 2 pi R square. So this is the 14th question. See here, just don't think otherwise here. I am leaving the calculation part only to you. The concept completely I have explained to you. Can you do the calculation part? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So with this 12.2 exercise we are completed. In the next